Hi, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here once again in Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. So great news, you know, it's almost November. We've got the cooking season ahead of us. You've got Thanksgiving coming. You have people coming over. You need a nice big range. Well, I've got it, and I've got it at a Black Friday deal. So this is actually last year's model. So this is a closeout. This is the JennAir JDRP536WP. So what's great about this unit is, first of all, the price. It's $7,900 if you get this year's model. The only real difference is that you're going to see gold knobs instead of these silver knobs and stainless steel knobs. So we've got these still. They're all the displays left in our stores in the company. And so great deal, $7,900. But for this one, it's $54.99. That's terrific. That's thousands of dollars off, and I think you'll really enjoy it. What's so cool about it? Well, you see this burner right here? That one's got 20,000 BTUs of power. That is as big as some of the biggest ranges that we sell. 20,000 BTU, that's really powerful. That means you're gonna be able to get to a boil really fast. How about this? You've not seen this on any ranges. This one is a chrome griddle. This chrome griddle is great for things like doing your eggs, doing your bacon, you know, morning breakfast, quick sandwich, whatever you want. This is just like having a professional kitchen in your own kitchen. So the rest of these, they got the low simmer, they got the high power BTUs. I think you'll really enjoy this because you get a lot of control that you don't on most of them. And so the other things that are neat about it, this is a 7-inch LCD. Now, if we had this powered on, it'd be a full color LCD control monitor there. So you'll be able to see everything, program the oven, do everything from there. It's really nice. And the inside, this is a dual fuel range, so it's electric on the top. Inside, it's gas. You know, I'm sorry, it's in reverse. It's gas on the top. Inside, it's electric, which gives you the most control. But look back here. Do you see here? It's convection. That's what those fans are. But what you're used to seeing is one big fan. Here, we've got two fans, which adds even more control. So convection. Just remind you what that's for. When you're doing your meats, it sears the outside of the meat and makes it more juicy. When you're doing baking, what that allows you to do is use every one of these shelves instead of just the center one. So it's really good. It actually cooks even faster than your regular stove. And just so you know, when you have your regular recipes that you're using on here, you're used to a certain amount of time cooking. Well, this oven will automatically convert it so that it adjusts the time and temperature to match with the extra powerful convection cooking. That way it doesn't burn on you. So anyway, that's the steal this week. I recommend it. JennAir, you know, that's the highest level you can go in the Whirlpool brands. It goes Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and JennAir. This is the #1 brand that they sell, and this is the best deal they have right now. Normally $7,900, now $54.99.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.